Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find privacy protection. Then let's tap on special permissions, and here scroll and find install unknown apps. So right here we will have the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app not from the Play Store as usual, but for example from a specific website, so from my browser. In my case the browser is Google Chrome. So just find the Chrome or any other app in the list and tap on it, and then tap on the switcher next to allow from the source. Here we've got the warning, because you have to know that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions whenever you want to, but just be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. You have to mark the statement that you're aware of the possible risks and then tap on OK. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is allowed to install something. And as I said, you can remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the app and tapping on the switcher. And now you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.